I guess I was under the impression, false impression, maybe a lot of other people are too that are listening to this, that, oh, they've figured out the genome. It's been decades
Yeah.
now. No problem. Got it figured out. 100%. Check the box. Move on. And that is not the case.
No.
That is completely not the case.
No.
And that's
I mean,
where
they have it mapped.
Yeah.
But they don't know what any of it means.
No. Yeah. So like, I was under the impression, we have movies like Jurassic Park and all these things, where it's like, oh, they got it all figured out. They can engineer stuff. It's all cool and yahoo. But no, and where the term junk DNA, which they're now not calling it that anymore, they're calling it dark DNA. But initially they called it junk DNA because they didn't think it did anything. So they're just like, cast it aside. Oh, well, we don't need it. We can do all these things without really focusing on that, even though we don't understand what it does. But it must not do anything or we would really have it figured out. That's kind of the gist that I was given in the research. And then now it's always amazing to me how science finally catches up to scripture.
It seems that way, right?
It does. Like we see it, and we're seeing it more because as we get more and more technologically advanced and inclined, it just winds up pointing right back to scripture. And it was like, oh, you mean the stuff we talked about however many thousand years ago that's right here that nobody understood at the time when they were probably writing it. And, now we're finally understanding because science is catching up. And the understanding of science, which is created by God, the understanding of how God created things, is leading us right back to his very word of creation.
Yes.
And I just find that amazing. But yeah, so now instead of junk DNA, they're calling it dark DNA.
Yeah.
Just
So
like
let me explain exactly. So like the way that I explain dark DNA, right? So when we say that, again, we're not talking about evil genes. Yeah. It's not evil genes but what we are really saying is that human DNA is not broken, but it's regulated. So your genome contains far more potential than what is currently expressed in your body at any given moment. And most of that potential is silent. Not because it's damaged, but because it's being switched off. Something has switched it off, right?
Yeah.
Modern biology now confirms something ancient spiritual tradition always hinted at. And this is what you're getting at with scripture.
Yeah.
You do not just inherit genes, you inherit how those genes are allowed to function as well. And that is a field called epigenetics.